Wait! Don't skip this! You know this feeling, right? You want to speak English, but your brain says no. Airport, taxi, hotel, everything is in English, and you just stand there like...
Frozen like ice cream?
Yes, melted ice cream. Alice, I am scared.
Why?
People speak fast English.
Fast English attack.
Yes, my brain cannot catch it.
Your brain is slow Wi-Fi?
Very slow. 1 bar only.
Okay, what is the problem now?
I want to ask a question.
Good. Ask me.
Where is airplane parking?
Airplane parking?
Yes, like car parking.
Alex, that is called gate.
Gate? Like door?
Yes, but for planes.
English is funny.
You are funny.
Okay, another one.
Go ahead.
I want to go inside plane room.
Plane room?
Yes, where people sit.
You say, I want to get on the plane.
Get on the plane.
Yes. Repeat.
Get on the plane.
Good.
No room?
No room.
My dream is broken. Alice, what if I forget everything?
Then we repeat.
What if I panic?
Then we breathe.
What if I say something wrong?
Then we laugh and fix it.
Okay, teach me.
You arrive at the airport. First, check in.
Check in.
Say, hello, I have a flight.
Hello, I have a flight.
Again.
Hello, I have a flight.
Good. Then, here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Again.
Here is my passport.
Nice. They ask, where are you going?
I am going to London.
Again.
I am going to London.
Good. If you don't hear, say, please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Again.
Please speak slowly.
Good.
If I don't understand?
Say, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Again.
I don't understand.
Good. Or say, can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Again.
Can you repeat?
Now security.
I am nervous.
It's okay. Say, I need help.
I need help.
Again.
I need help.
Now boarding. Ask, where is the gate?
Where is the gate?
Again.
Where is the gate?
Good. Ask, what time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
Again.
What time is boarding? My brain is working now.
Good. Now taxi.
I like taxi. No walking.
Lazy boy.
Yes.
Say, take me to this hotel.
Take me to this hotel.
Again.
Take me to this hotel.
Good. Driver asks, cash or card?
I panic again.
Just say, card, please.
Card, please.
Again.
Card, please.
Or say, cash.
Cash.
Ask, how much is it?
How much is it?
Again.
How much is it?
Easy, small English.
Alice, hotel.
Now, hotel.
I want bed.
Soon. Say, hello, I have a reservation.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Again.
Hello, I have a reservation.
Good. They ask, what is your name?
My name is Alex.
Again.
My name is Alex.
Good. They say, "Can I see your ID?"
Yes, here it is.
Again.
Yes, here it is.
Good. Ask, "Where is my room?"
Where is my room?
Again.
Where is my room?
Ask, "What time is checkout?"
What time is checkout?
Again.
What time is checkout? Alice, I feel good.
You see? Simple English.
My brain is now 4G.
Soon 5G.
Let's practice more.
Okay, repeat after me. I have a flight.
I have a flight.
I have a flight.
I have a flight.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Can you repeat?
Where is the gate?
Where is the gate?
Where is the gate?
Where is the gate?
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
I need help.
I need help.
I need help.
I need help.
Take me to this hotel.
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 How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is it?
How much is it?
Card, please.
Card, please.
Card, please.
Card, please.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
My name is Alex.
Can I see your ID?
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 Here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Here it is.
Where is my room?
Where is my room?
Where is my room?
Where is my room?
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
What time is checkout?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready. Let's do role play.
Okay.
Hello, I have a flight.
Where are you going?
I am going to London.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Taxi now.
Okay.
Take me to this hotel.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay.
Hotel now.
Yes.
Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Can I see your ID?
Yes, here it is.
Here is your room.
Thank you.
Now, slow.
Hello, I have a flight.
Where are you going?
I am going to London.
Can I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Take me to this hotel.
Cash or card? Card, please. Hello, I have a reservation. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Can I see your ID? Yes, here it is. You did great today. My brain is strong now. Practice every day. No more airport fear. See you next time. Bye!